All right, guys. In this video, we're actually going to show you, basically we've already got the car set up. We've got everything there supporting the car, from fuel to all the cables, the fans. One of these days, I'm going to sit there and set everything up, and then I'll show you guys how we've got everything set up and the reasons why. But in this video, we're going to actually show you every pass. I'm going to throw some of the passes, and show you the videos behind the car, going down the track like we always do. But you're going to see a draggy video. The draggy video is just there, or the draggy times are just there to show kind of what the car ran. What really makes everything is the time slip. So once you take the time slip and you look at the draggy, you're going to be, hey, it's a little bit off. It doesn't matter. The satellite can't keep up with the car, guys. Okay? It gets close, but it's not exact. So like I said, in this video, we're going to show you all three passes going for a 6. We got him all set up, guys, so hopefully we're going to run a good number tonight. I mean, we've already run a good number. I mean, you guys know we're at 718, 191, so the car's moving pretty good, but we're already set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our first hit when the lights go out. Basically, when the sun goes down, I'm telling you what, guys, we're going to turn it loose, but Prestige Fabrication is going to be out here, Nicolas Performance, and we got about 10 or 12 other cars out here testing with us. So wish us luck, guys. Like I said, I just want a good A to B pass, run a 6, and we'll shut it down and pack it up and go home. And then just grab my driver's door. All right, right there. You guys didn't get to see it on the draggy, but if you guys watched when I got out of the gas after I passed the scoreboards there, I stayed in it way too long. I actually got out of the gas at 211 miles an hour. It's not a good thing, guys. Don't do it. As soon as you go across the trap, that quarter mile, just get out of the gas, guys. The run's over with. Got a little excited, so continue watching the video.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! Hell yeah! Woo! That's what I'm talking about! Go ahead, baby! That was a solid run! That was a solid run! Hell yes! Woo! Come on, 6! Come on, 6! Come on, 6! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Hell yes. Man, that was a good run. That was a good run. Woo! Oh, man, those double parachutes hit hard. Woo! Man, that was a good run. That was a good run. Man, I'm jacked up. I am jacked up. Woo! Man, that was a good run. Let's see what the draggy says. Okay. All right, full power. All right, I love you.
Run your run.
Yep.
Love you.
Love you too.
Oh, I might need this.
Nope, I had to lift. I had to lift on that one. Nope, I had to lift on that, guys. I was moving a little bit to the left, so I had to pedal it. So, not a 6. Not a 6. We probably ran like a 630, a 730, 740. So, nope. Well, guys, you see it, man. All right, so we ran a 730. I actually had to lift a couple of different times. So the car started moving around on the big end up there, and you know, being 170, 180 miles an hour, you're not playing around on the big end when the car starts moving. So I lifted, but so hey, when we were changing spark plugs, we've been changing spark plugs every pass, guys, checking it out, making sure the plugs are good. So like I said before in the other video, change your plugs all the time, look at them. But car's cooling down right now. We got everything going. So we got the breather tubes going, blowing cool air into the motor right here. We've already changed the plugs, about to put the fans back on it. So, but guys, we're gonna make another 1 or 2 more passes tonight and see if we can get it. All right, guys, it's the dreaded oil down. Okay, so somebody oiled the track down. You know how everybody loves it. So Cat's back here, just waiting to take a hit. Last pass, guys, I'll post it. We ran 720 at 194.3. We had some things that we had to clean up in the tune. It cut some boost on us, so we saw it. So we've turned the car up. So we're learning what the car wants and what it likes. So as soon as they get this cleanup done, we'll be second in line, and we will be taking another pass. So again, it was 720 flat at 194.3. So we picked up 3 miles an hour, but we just lost 0.02 of a second. But like I said, guys, we'll be back. I'll keep everybody posted.
Do your thing, then. Take your time.
Yep. I lifted too soon. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I think I lifted too soon, guys. I think I got out of the gas too soon, man. Damn. We'll see. Let me look at the dragging. Alright guys, third pass, final one tonight, guys. Had a little problems with the 1-2 shift. The car shifted into third. Like I said, we got to fix that in the tune, but we're done for tonight. But y'all see it, 197.4. So we reset the mile an hour for the Charger. We just got to run a 7. But guys, like I said, it's all about knowing what the car wants. But we've got this thing packed up, and we are about to head back to the house in Atlanta. So we got about a 3-hour drive. So guys, I appreciate everybody keeping up with us tonight. Thank you very much, and we'll see y'all back in the garage.
All right, guys. So, hey, thanks a lot for watching. We do appreciate it. Me and my whole crew, Nicolas Performance, Prestige Fabrication. Guys, we're really focusing on YouTube right now. So please subscribe, like, share. We do appreciate it, and hopefully you have a fantastic day. All right, thanks, guys.